Encountering the server unreachable error when trying to log in to the SafeLink app or website is a common issue, especially as of October 2025. This error typically indicates a problem with the connection between your device and SafeLink servers. The most straightforward solution, often effective, is to clear the app's cache and retry. This involves going into your device settings, finding the Apps section, selecting SafeLink, then navigating to Storage and tapping Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that may be causing login failures. After clearing the cache, close the app completely and reopen it to attempt logging in again. This simple step resolves the issue for many users within minutes. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try force stopping the SafeLink app and then reopening it. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or cellular data. If the problem persists, check for app updates in your device's app store. Outdated app versions can cause compatibility issues. The server unreachable error can stem from several factors: connectivity issues, server-side problems on SafeLink's end, especially during peak times or updates, such as the AT&T 5G network integration in 2024-2025, or even account-related issues like unpaid bills. While SafeLink has improved app stability, these errors still occur. Also be aware that trends show this might be due to increased data demands from streaming and IoT devices. If none of the troubleshooting steps work, contacting SafeLink customer support is the next step to investigate potential account or SIM card problems.